If you're creating community pages, neighborhood guides, or landing pages, adding property listings can make them much more engaging. Instead of creating a new IDX page for every search, the Dynamic Widget lets you build custom listing widgets in just a few clicks and embed them anywhere on your website. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create your own listing widget using the Dynamic Widget app. This app is available for IDX Broker Engage clients and allows you to create, customize, and save as many listing widgets as you need. Each widget can have its own search criteria and styling, making it perfect for community pages, city pages, featured listings, or any custom landing page. Let's get started. From your IDXAddons dashboard, go to Apps and open Dynamic Widget. The first tab is where you'll define the search criteria for your widget. For this example, let's create a widget that displays apartments in Vancouver priced between $600,000 and $700,000. We'll leave the default sorting option set to newest, so the latest listings always appear first. Once you're happy with your filters, click Update Code Snippet. The app instantly creates an embed code that you can copy and paste anywhere on your website, whether that's a community page, a custom landing page, or even a regular WordPress page. Let's see the result. As you can see, the widget displays a beautiful, responsive grid of listings with large property photos, pricing, addresses, bedrooms, bathrooms, and status badges. The layout automatically adapts to desktops, tablets, and mobile devices, so it looks great on every screen size. Visitors can also switch to map view with a single click. Every matching property is displayed on an interactive map using custom marker colors that match your widget design. Clicking a marker opens a quick property preview without leaving the page, making it easy for visitors to explore listings. One of my favorite features is that you can save every widget you create. Simply give it a name, save it, and you can come back later to edit the search criteria, update the styling, or copy the embed code again. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple community pages or creating widgets for different markets. Now let's look at the Styling tab. Here you can customize the colors used throughout the widget so it matches your branding. Or, if you're already using IDX Styles, simply enable Sync Colors with IDX Styles. Your widget will automatically use the same color palette as the rest of your IDX pages, giving your website a consistent, professional appearance without any extra work. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a fully responsive, customizable listing widget that you can reuse anywhere on your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future IDXAddons tutorials and product updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.